Hey everybody, it's Jennifer. I was gifted these great food safe containers. They are Bpa-Free. I love how they nest together so tightly so that this is not going to take up a lot of space in your cabinets. Same thing with the lids. Look how small that is for all of those just to fit together. I love it. Okay, so I love so many things about these. I love that these are just the perfect size, first of all. And then you have the lid that has the cutout part that like you have on the bottom. And so when you stack these, they stack together like that, and then they're more likely to stay. So look at all of these that I have stacked here. These are perfect for meal prep because you could put these in your fridge and everything is perfect. These are also great for lunches because they are so easy to close by just pressing down and to open. Great for kids who might struggle with different containers. So the lids stay on beautifully. These are great for sandwiches and little breads, some nuts for portion control. They wash up beautifully. I can't say enough great things about these. I love that these are so thin, but yet so sturdy. The lids stay on beautifully, super easy to stack. These really are just amazing. You are going to want these. Check them out.